Hello students. So in this video we are going to see the next problem of orthographic projection. The figure shows the pictorial view of an object. Draw the following views: front view using x direction, side view using y direction, and the top view. So you can see this figure with x direction. The highlighted portion we can see in the front view. This is the front view portion. You can see from x direction, and this inclined part also we can see in front view. Okay, this portion you can see in front view. Similar way, for the top view we can see the top portion, so we can highlight that part also. In top view we can see this portion, so this triangular part of the object for both the sides, it is visible. And side view in y direction we can see this L shape also, that is a common inclined shape. So we start with this corner. You can see the object. This is the point. You can start total length of the object. So initially we can calculate from x direction total length of the object. It is a 30 plus 20 plus 20 30 30 30 60 plus 20 80. So total length of the object, it is given 80 mm. Then total height of the object we can see here, from the base to top it is a total object height, it is 60 mm. And the width of the object, it is directly we can see from the side view, width of the object it is a 45 mm. So not required to calculate our addition subtraction, directly we get the length of the object 80 mm, height of the object 60 mm, and the width of the object 45 mm. Now this point, from this point we start. So in this figure we require to draw the side view using y direction, that is a left hand side view. So left hand side we can draw in right side of the front view here. So this is the profile plane, and here front view it is present, so it is a vertical plane, and below that horizontal plane. So first laying in front view we can see the T, that is a exactly opposite T from this corner point, tilted T, the base total it is dark line we draw, that is a total 80 mm. Take 80 mm and mark this point. Then the height of this plate, it is 15 mm. Take 15 mm from both the sides. Then horizontal distance, it is total 30 30 from both the sides. We can take 30 30 mm. This is 30 30 mm from both sides. Then remaining height means 50 minus 16, 45. Okay, so total length it is 20 mm. Now you can see the inclined portion, that is a straight, or this edge, vertical edge from both the sides, remaining 45. Draw the vertical lines on both sides, so this edge and the other side edge, and this inclined portion we can see here. So inclined portion having total 30 mm. In front side we can see only 30 mm. In top view we can see the inclined length having length 30 mm. So this is the front view of an object. So visible parts, also give the some dimensions. Draw extension, faint extension lines. Then draw the 10 mm offset vertical line. Show the arrow. Total height it is 60 mm. Total length of the object it is, take length of the object it is 80 mm. Two dimensions are sufficient. Then next, in top view we can see this portion. From this corner we are going to start, so that will be present here in top view, the object, the same shape with this corner. So total length it is 80 mm. So first take 80 mm distance and draw the horizontal line. Also take the reference from front line, so we get the total 80 mm. Then thickness, or that is the width of the object, it is the 15 mm. So draw the 15 mm for both the sides. So this 15 mm and this is also 15 mm. So middle, exactly we can draw the initially center line at 40 mm. Draw vertical faint projection line at 40 mm. Then total width of the object it is a 45 mm. Take 45 mm and mark it 45 mm, and the width of this, length of this, it is a 20 mm. So mark 10 mm for both the sides, and then we connect this point and inclined part. So this line it is we have connected. Now this is the 20 mm, and again from this point to incline. So this point to incline. Okay. Now the remaining portion, that is a triangular part, from this point we are going to shift here, because of this is the height we cannot see in the top view. So from this point to this point, so total thickness it is a 15 mm, remaining it is a 30 mm, and this is directly you can connect for both the sides. In top view we can see this object, there is no any invisible part, so all the lines are visible. We can show with the dark line or thick line. Also put the dimension, total width of the object, it is 45 mm, and middle give all the dimensions in mm. Place the dimensions 10 mm away from the object. So total this is the 30 mm, 20 mm, again 30 mm. Now take the horizontal projection line from this corner to take the width in side view. So similar way, take horizontal projection line, then draw the 45-degree line to transfer these dimensions in side view exactly at 90 degree. Take vertical line also with the same, from this corner exactly at 90 degree, this angle it is 90 degree, transfer into the side view. Then total width of the block it is 45 mm. So base L shape we can see in the side view, and this rectangular portion it is common in front view and side view. So first we start from this corner, so this is present is here. Okay, so draw the 45 mm dark line, thick line. Then height of the object it is 60 mm, draw 60 mm line, vertical line. Then again horizontally 15 mm, so 15 mm, mark the 15 mm, or take the projection line from the top view, easy to draw, mark the 15 mm. Then again total minus 60 minus 15 means 45 mm. So you can take the reference of this line. Okay, then again horizontally 35 mm, sorry 30 mm. You connect this total 15 mm. This rectangular block also visible from this point to next point. It is a 15 minus 45. This 15 minus 45. So this is the 15 and remaining part, it is a 45 minus 15, it is 30. So 30 mm, draw the horizontal line and also draw the vertical line. So these are the all parts are visible. So also give the dimensions. (50, 30). Again, do not mention the same dimensions. Already we have mentioned the height of the object. So base plate thickness, it is a 15 mm. And write down here, this is the front view, this is the top view, and using Y direction, this is the left hand side view. Thank you and stay connected for more videos.